played the Monster Mash. And it was a graveyard smash. They played the mash. It's called on.
This video is for helping kids with special needs manage Halloween. Now, one trick that I think is a really great one and one that's oftentimes very underrated is to make sure that the nights leading up to Halloween are very routine and that your child is very well rested before this very overstimulating holiday. So ensuring that your child is on their routine, that it's very consistent, that they're getting to bed and getting lots of good rest before Halloween can really have a good payoff, because otherwise there can be a lot of frenzy. Kids can get really off routine easily in the days leading up to the actual holiday. So you want to try to keep the consistency, the predictability, the bedtime routine very solidly in place, and just make sure your child gets lots of rest, because again, it can have a great payoff and it just helps your child be their very best for Halloween night.